Hi, this is solar battery with 2600 mAh power. You can with non-stress just connect charger and it is charged now. Okay, it is good. This solar battery can recharge and can charge others of the phones like Sony Ericsson, Motorola, Nokia, and iPod or iPhone, like you want. Good to put a video package and others. You can recharge it with this charger, and you have one box, this box with this. That's all.